Hi, Claude just got access to live stock prices, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and breaking company news in real time. So how are we going to use it? There is no hallucination, no guessing game. It is called as Financial Data Sets MCP server, and Wall Street should be nervous about it. Let me crack you why. Corey says it. It's not mine. Its credit goes to Corey. 5 ways we can actually make money with this kind of MCP server. First is pre-call research service. That is $500, 2K per client, we can make it. So basically how we do is sales team needs intel on prospects, right? So build an agent that pulls his financials news before every call so that the sales to B2B sales orgs can sell to B2B sales org. That's helpful. Second is investor newsletter. Say for example, $20 to $50 monthly subscription you can provide, and automate weekly stock analysis with real data, real-time data, and no more trust me bro kind of takes. Actual balance sheets, actual cash flow. And third is due diligence report. Say for example, $200 to $500 each, and small business buyers need quick company health checks, right? So is this business worth buying to invest? So in this 2 minutes instead of 10 hours, it will take 2 minutes. And fourth is competition tracking dashboard. So competition tracking dashboard is nothing but you can alert clients when competitor financials change. Your rival, what they have burned in money from. So 2 million in cash last quarter. So it kind of brings instant value and purpose to the team. And 5, the last one is earnings call prep packets, which is actually fund managers need prep pre-earnings and briefs, right? So to invest and stuff. So automate the research charges from $100 to $300 per equal report. So the play here is pick one, build an agent this week and sell it next week. Claude plugin made it so easy for finance guys, for sales. This is why they call it as B2B SaaS clubs, SaaS acolytes like that. So why? Because every day Anthropic wakes up and breaks one industry at a time by releasing the agents after agents. So it is so imperative and necessary for all of us to upgrade in Claude the skills, they have knowledge, they have skills, they have slash commands, they have 11 plus 10 plugins, 20 plus plugins, and how it's uses, and the more we use these plugins to our everyday business, the more we are going to benefit. But remember one thing, Claude is for the rich.